Welcome to the new Citi Market Watch, where we unpack all you need to know on important topics in 3 minutes. Welcome Audrey Cheong, Citigold Private Client Portfolio Counselor.
It's great to be here.
Through 2021, we have been excited about global reflation, punctuated by vaccines and the significant dislocated opportunities that have resulted from the pandemic. And we did see an almost tectonic shift in asset classes as COVID defensives, technology, e-commerce, and growth companies witnessed a generational acceleration in adoption, seemingly overnight. As reflation has progressed and matured, we saw a rolling rotation between growth to value and cyclicals, which saw significant opportunities as value and mean reversion extorted gains. Audrey, what else was in our 2021 outlook?
Well, don't forget, we also saw significant acceleration in Citi's unstoppable trends: healthcare, sustainability, and digitization. Healthcare has been trending for years or decades, but got its booster from the pandemic. Sustainability saw far greater alignment from global pledges post-COP26, covering 90% of global greenhouse gas emissions. And digitization has been an absolute lifeline, supporting the world through the pandemic. Its relevance has expanded market reach, especially from far greater innovations like 5G adoption, the ubiquity of the cloud, and now the metaverse.
And the disappointment clearly was China.
Unfortunately, yes. We still maintain the rise of Asia as an unstoppable trend. China's regulations came from left field in terms of how heavy-handed they were, but it's understandable to see this through the lens of antitrust or common prosperity.
And this is very much in line with our view on G2 polarization. And we have seen that. At its surface, this has been about both the US and China securing their own supply chains. But it is also about friendly yet arguably confrontational competition. The regulations this year have leveled the playing field, and this only improves the outlook. Audrey, we continue to see scary inflation headlines. What is happening?
Well, this has been the other left field development. Inflation has roared back given the surge in post-pandemic demand and constrained supply, and punctuated again by historically unprecedented government policy support. Now, yet yields remain super low. Real yields across the curve remains negative.
Thanks, Audrey. That said, financial repression was and is a core concern, and we should continue to see market and economics in this light. Thanks for the recap, Audrey. How would you score Citi's 2021 outlook?
Son, it's bonus time. Let's give it an 8 out of 10. Now, we got most of the strategies right, and where things have hurt, there are more speed bumps than a derailment. We are already seeing supply chain bottlenecks ease, China's agenda has played out, and its policy outlook is increasingly more supportive.
Thanks, Audrey. We will have a 2022 outlook, but as we reflect on 2021, remember that investment strategies compound on themselves. It isn't a fashion show. So for all the core themes and asset allocation strategies that make up your portfolio, please speak to your Citigold or Citigold Private Client relationship manager on how best to iterate and optimize your portfolio.